go on our kitchen island. And this is gonna go about our dining table. And we're also looking for a small freezer for our little harvest, like bananas. I think this would work, this small freezer. Wait, this one, I love the color. I love the color in this one, baby.
That's being inverted type.
Is that inverter?
I don't know.
I like this color though. Here at Kenny Rogers for lunch. This is the only Kenny Rogers you'll find in Cagayan de Oro City.
Yeah, I'm jealous.
See, that's why it's hard to gain weight when you're in the Philippines, because the serving are just for kids. So.
And now she's getting scraps off the table to go to her dog.
Yeah, my baby dog.
So
That
that is really a doggy bag now.
Good morning, neighbors. Good morning, baby.
Good morning, my love.
We're having a date day. We went to the mall for a movie, but we found out that the schedule for that movie is in the afternoon. And we're already like a zombie right now. I don't think we could wait for the afternoon.
That's like
So we're gonna just
3 hours
let
away.
that go. Yeah. And get what we need over at the hardware. There's my husband. He loves this small hardware store because they have nice price. Wow. They took forever to entertain you, huh? What you got? Oh, you got a new riveter?
Yeah.
What happened to the other one?
They broke springs.
Oh, okay. And you got this? Did you find the bolts and nuts or something?
No, I'll get that down the road.
Okay, let's go. Good morning, neighbors. Today is another date day. We're gonna try again today. Let's go. Date day.
Date day.
My pimple's still very big right now, baby. That's for your video. It's not.
Oh, well, thank you.
Bye. Up, up, up. All right. We're here walking Osmeña Street. We just left our car. My husband said it's on the side of the road, but I think it's in the middle of the road. We're looking for the bolts and nuts. We could have parked here, baby.
Oh, gee. Yeah.
You wanna go back?
No.
No? This is where I used to work before. There's a building right here. But now they're gone. It's a distribution channel of Nestle Philippines. And that was the only distribution channel here in Cagayan before. And there was a warehouse. This used to be a warehouse in here. It's gone. And this was the building. Worked there for 3 years. And this is Osmeña Street. This is where you find a lot of bolts and nuts. This one, baby. Osmeña Street, very popular for all the parts and pieces of surplus vehicles and bolts and nuts and some electric stuff. And here's SM, and on the side is Centrio Mall. This is where I used to walk to go to Limkikay Mall this way every lunchtime. So during payday, I wouldn't have enough money anymore because I utang a lot already before the paycheck. Limkikay Mall just right there. See? It's not really on the corner, baby. It's in the middle of the road. Our movie is at 1 o'clock and it's 12 o'clock, so we'll buy our snacks. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know what. Oh, a caramelized popcorn.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna have. Alright, so we're gonna go on our date day. It's just an excuse to have junk foods anyway.
Yeah,
Date
it
day.
is.
That's what date day is.
Used to have junk food at lunchtime.
Yes, that's gonna be our lunch. Caramelized popcorn. Oh, they're so nice and sweet. Yeah, we were gonna have junk foods, but Jollibee is considered junk foods too anyway, fast food. But at least it's protein, right?
Yeah.
Because they don't have the caramelized popcorn. We got the bones too for my dog. Alright, done with our date day. We're going home. Last time we're here, it was light traffic. And today isn't. So all of us are all over anyway. This is our sharing the road here in the Philippines. Jeepney is looking for passengers, so he's not gonna go until they get one. Uy, mamas. Mama. Hi!
Too bad I can't get over.
Where was it? Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it right there.
Oh, it was over there?
The bongo.
Oh, yeah. It was. I thought you saw the hardware that you're looking for.
No.
That was Mama's driver, our neighbor. There it is, bolts and nuts. Right here, yes. Yeah. Oh, this bigger one right here. Alright, so the day finally became productive. The movie sucks, but my husband finally found the bolts and nuts.
Okay, I just got a job to do. You know, I'm always looking for jobs to do, and my wife said she's hiring me to go out and cut peppers. So, I am on my way out, gotta get my flip-flops on. She directed me to go out and look for a pepper outside the gate. And I'm looking for a red pepper. She says there's a red pepper out here. Pepper, it's hiding someplace. She knows where it's at, I don't. I saw it. Right here. She says, cut it with scissors. There's that pepper. She bruises. That's what she's happy about, is that these are our peppers that we're growing. And we have all sorts of fruits and vegetables growing. We have actually the island is half full of mangoes. I think she's already talked about that, but we're gonna probably let those sit there for a couple of weeks, or maybe a week, and then we'll do something with it. I'm thinking of trying to dry them. Lots of little peppers here. These are hot little puppies. No, not you, puppy. Just put that pepper down. And no. No, not that. Yeah, that's not for you. So, got some red peppers here. I'll get a couple of them because we'll use them in cooking. You just come out and pick them, and ooh, nice little peppers.
You found it?
No.
Not that one.
Not that one?
Yes, that one. I was wondering what's taking forever.
I'm good. Such a good husband. Look at that. I only got you 3 of those because
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna even use them.
No, just this one actually, because I'm gonna make this that we harvested the other day. Loofah.
Well, then tomorrow morning, if we make scrambled eggs,
Yeah.
we can throw those in.
I mean, we can take fresh ones tomorrow. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, husband.
You're welcome, beautiful wife.
Bye.
Bye. Here, my wife is making chips.
You are gonna be the one making chips.
Well, you're the one cutting them.
Yeah. These are the mango that my best friend's husband, also my friend, sent to us from our property, because our properties are just beside each other and they harvest it for us. And so this is what's left. We cannot afford to eat them all at once. They ripen at the same time. So
Yeah.
we're gonna try to do dehydrate that.
Make them into chips.
Yes, and we're also gonna do mango float, my husband's favorite sweets here in the Philippines. So this is graham crackers, but in here we call it grahams. And sweetened condensed milk, and I'm also gonna use instead of all-purpose flour, all-purpose cream, I'm gonna use a little bit of mayonnaise, because that's my twist. You know, you can always have a different version of your mango float. So that's all. Bye. Show them what you're doing.
Yeah.
Just not the lid, because it's not clean.
Okay, and we're putting this together. I have 5 trays, yay!
Last time it was so crunchy.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. You like it like this?
Yeah, but I think we need to run some more because it's still moist.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
This is second batch. Mango float.
I'm coming!
Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you, tita. Luto.
Unsa ka?
Saging, hindi, nangamululan. Pinagaganahan niya, geng.
Unsa ka pinakaganahan niya mo? I-guess ba?
Tingnan na mga ito.
Unsa pinakaganahan? Milo.
Apel, managapang ka na, geng.
Unsa pag pinakaganahan?
Sente na mag-ito, geng. Pagsaso na gito.
Naong.
Kapit, pagkapit.
Ala. My husband is speaking. Where? Chill, 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 chill. Good morning, neighbors. Morning, baby.
Morning, baby.
We're actually going to the farm, my brother's farm, or whoever owns it, because it's our niece's birthday party over there. We were too slow. We had to take shower and everything, so we're left behind. See if we can. Oh. Huh? We're gonna do this? Just slow down, because this is really slippery. Oh my god! Hi! The car is just wiggling. There they are. Mama. They're up there. Wow, they have a lot of chili peppers. Okay, up! Okay. There's a lot of eggplants here.
That's the way around over there.
Yeah, look at that. Those are chili peppers. And these are all the eggplants. Nice farm. And that's their little hut. My niece corrected me the other day. Actually, laughed at me. Because I said
Really?
hot. Remember?
Hot.
It's hot. Hut. Hi! They said,
Hey.
okay, go. ba? Wow, tsara kayo. Ya, ang aritis, bay. Ano ko na, ma? Kuya, okay si mama gataw. Naka-farm vibe si mama, oh. Uy, tsado lagi kayo yung payag. My brother. Wow, tsara kayong payag. Look at baby. 360 view. Sadaha, oy, ibog kaayo. Kani patula, aw kaning kuan. Ukra. Sitaw na ni. Halal luwag-luwag man day. Gipang sugban ako tanan. Kuhaan din ako siya og kanang. Oh, tu ara. Nya gabono ka kol.
Oh, bunuhan.
Unsa may abono? Complete? Unsa may abono?
Usay. Amo kanang 21 then pagkasunod na po complete na po.
Ah. Kinahanglan gid abono ba?
Ay, dili kay.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday! Si brother kaya magluto. Lami gid na. Biko ni kagawad Mitch o lami kayo. Baby, how is it? Yeah. Mama.
Una gipampalit ang itlog.
Quail o kuan, hotdog.
Kasi pag manang
Let's go.
maluto ng isda.
Look at that. It's so beautiful right there. The watermelon. Oh, wow. In a very short time. Mitch's dad did a lot of things here. Look at this. He has a lot of harvest already.
Sa dahil daw tayo.
Kana o sexy ka siya.
Ikaw mo sexy pa sa akin.
Ah,
Ito,
mas sexy ka.
crop top.
Kana ka-dress ka. Hi! That's relative too. Jump! 1, 2, ready, go! Jump! Jump more! TV ba? Wow!
Katulad ko, busog kayo sila.
Nag
Hindi ni Papa.
Oh no! They came here to poop? Is that what it is? The kids, they're hiding somewhere.
Ili karon ay.
But you never know. Maybe that's what they're doing here too.
Ili ay nagpicture-picture sila man mo ya.
Well, I can't find them. Here they are.
Dugay kayo mo ito. Sige, may balik tawa tayo.
Woohoo!
Tabi, kami dito taas.
Oh wow! You went there?
Oh, hangin kayo, hati kong nadala.
It's so beautiful. Ah, dintoy ato bang dire. Mana? Monkey up on the tree.
Patay ka dyan, ligid ka.
Sadaha din ni oy. Tabi apo. We're done eating. Walk a little bit, and this time we're gonna go to the river property because my husband saw something on the satellite or Google map, right, baby?
Yeah, and it's recent.
So we're gonna check out what's going on there. Let's go. It's got worms.
Oh no.
Worm attack. Hala, kasayang.
Gani magi kay takapugas.
Ano kaha? Unsa kaha nga kuan bukbuk man oh?
Kuan di sa ilalim.
Hala.
Maglisod ang pangunod ba?
Yeah, they're not gonna produce. It's a failure. They have a lot of worm attack. Bisag nag-spray sila ma? All the corns around here. So we're now here at the river property. The reason why we came because my husband saw something on the satellite. Show me that again, baby. What you got on your phone? Because we want to make sure that nobody's trespassing and taking over. Okay, so you're seeing that. It's white.
Yeah.
So we had to emergency come over here. And that's what it is.
It's that tree.
It's the Jimelina tree.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Okay.
feel better?
Feel better.
Okay.
So this is a post.
Yeah, my mom just put that in there. We move it because Manong Coco put it on the wrong way. So from that big huge tree all the way down.
Ato na nang butang ag linsa pag otro.
I want room to be able to drive into there.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put right there.
Okay. You tipped over a tree.
Why do you think the daughter is strong? Because the
Oh, you ripped it out, roots and all.
Right here? Right here?
Ah, ito na mga ako sulod ya.
Uy, wait man, na, imo ma.
Yeah, I guess.
Where? Oy, asa di ay? Di ay here. Ha?
Uwi.
Oh, it's crooked.
Alam ka pa nang imo.
Is it from that tree?
Which tree?
Kanan.
The big one, right? Oh my God, we're so good at this. Right here?
Oh.
Makaagi ka, baby, can you go through? The car can go through?
Yeah,
Like this big?
yeah.
Alright. I'll do it now here.
Okay.
Hiwi ka maoy!
Kani ata ingon.
Dito.
Sakto na na.
Okay.
Kani may tanawa.
Ah,
Kani.
ang imo? Okay, right here then.
Ah, problema. Yan na.
Done it?
Oh.
Okay. You sure it's gonna be okay in this one? But when there's a heavy rain, it's gone. I think that one is crooked. Kinala na isibog na ni mama.
Yeah, but you're the one that did it.
Right here. Right.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Malina man ni Oma. Ba.
Okay, this way, just a little bit. Okay, step off to the side, baby.
Okay.
No, go back about that far. Right there.
Right there. Okay, ready ma? One. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. Yeah. Okay. Can you see which one is edible?
I can't tell.
Right here. These are edible.
Oh, okay. It looks like it. Bugs are eating them.
Let's check if there's some avocado. Yan na lang. Uy, unsa man ang nagbitay dyan sa ibabaw? Walay mga unod. So there's no avocado fruit.
Where's the avocado tree?
That one.
This one with the what?
Yeah.
With fork?
That's still gonna fall because of the fork. Still gonna burn. Oh, it was pretty gani. So good thing, baby, that we haven't started the corn because this time there's a lot of infestations on the corn.
Yeah.
This time of the year. We're going home. We're done at the farm. We just try to look at some stuff, and it was just a tree. We're locked out again. Aww. We did not brought some key, and we have a power outage. It's overcharged, overheat, our solar. Oh, at least I didn't. Ah, thank you, Lord. Can you make it? Okay. Oh, my God. Oh, we got locked out again. We're home. Good morning, neighbors. Today is a Nutrition Day celebration here in our barangay, and everybody's supposed to counterpart and put over there some sort of goods or products for displays. We do have a by zone competition, which is a competition for nutritious food. So I have guava tree right here. I'm gonna climb up there and see what I can get so I can participate. So let's go climb up the guava tree, and Buddy is whining. Uy, it's really slippery. Yeah. Hi. All right. This one. Hi. Gamay raman pero at least. Ayaw, I-display gali. Oh, wow. Wow. Waragod sila, oh. Napay kalamunggay. Ibitay-bitay na lang. Saglo man na, iguro. Oh, si Mama Lourdes. This is supposed to be a squash booth. Zone 1. Imon lo kayo nang i-display na to? Manok. Hi, Mom! I'm going home. At least I got a little bit of contribution. That's all it is a little bit of contribution each. And turns out to be a lot afterwards. I'm in zone 1, so that's why I contributed to zone 1. I still have a bunch of guavas, but they're too high. I don't want to fall. All right, that's my video for today.